Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. Yeah, today we are looking at this question, grade 8, Natural Sciences. It says, consider the diagram below, representing the components of the circuit. Okay, we have A and B. And the question says, name the symbol below. Okay, what is A? What we see in A is an assembly of cells. And an assembly of cells is called battery. So A is battery. And what is B? B, we are seeing just one standing cell. So B is cell or electric cell. Yeah, so we come to this one. It says, how many cells are in A? Okay. In A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Each set of this line is one cell. You must not forget that the long one is the positive and the short one is the negative. So, how many? We have counted 4. So there are 4 cells. And the B has how many? 1. So it has 1 cell. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says, name the form in which energy is stored in the cell or battery. Here we have to know that energy has so many forms. But the kind of energy which is stored in the battery is called chemical potential energy. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says, write the energy. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says, write the energy change which take place in the battery when in complete circuit. So when the battery is in complete circuit, what happens? It's providing energy. It's giving energy to the electrons which are flowing around. So what energy change takes place there? The energy change is from chemical potential energy to electrical. Yeah, that is it. Chemical potential energy to electrical energy. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that, what do labels AAA, AA, C, and D on the cells represent? Yeah, we normally see on the cells which we buy, some are labeled AAA, AA, C, and D. What do these labels represent? Okay, they represent the size of the cell. Yeah, so this question comes. It says, John has 2 cells, A and B, labeled 1.5V and 6V, respectively, to use in the torch. What advantage does she get from 6 volts cell over 1.5 volt cell? Yes. What's the advantage of the 6 volt cell over 1.5 volt cell? Okay. The first advantage is that the 6 volt cell lasts longer. So you can use it for a longer period of time. Yeah. That is that. Now, the second advantage is that the 6-volt cell gives a brighter light compared to 1.5 volt. Yeah, that is that. Yes. So we come to this one. It says, give reasons why batteries should not be disposed in the normal dust bins. Yes. What's the reason? We use batteries in torches, in other devices. But when batteries are finished, are used up, we should not dispose them in the normal dustbin. And why? Why shouldn't we do that? Okay, the first reason is that batteries are made up of some of toxic chemicals, especially the car batteries, which are made of lead. Lead is a heavy metal and it is poisonous. When it leaks to the environment, it poisons the environment and it might end up in our bodies. So, that's the first reason. They contain toxic materials which might leak to the ground and poison the ground. Yeah. The second reason is that they might reconnect with conductors when you have disposed them, and that might lead to fire. Yeah, for instance, if you dispose of batteries with some wires or other materials, battery might reconnect and form complete circuits, which might lead to explosions and fires. Yeah, that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time